Hey guys, I'm Jessica from Peterson SEO, and we are currently in our second year of our holiday family sponsorship program where we help sponsor families in need based on the new clients that come in. 10% of their website deals goes to sponsor these families. And so when you think of the cost of a website, you can see how considerable that 10% is and how much we can actually contribute to helping these families. I did a lot of praying, and praying about it every day, praying that God will send me the businesses and the people that need us the most, because unfortunately we really can't help everybody. We do amazing work and our clients see amazing results, but we just don't have the capacity to help everybody, and we want to help people that are really making a difference. So at this point, we have the capacity to help 10 more businesses before this deal ends on December 15th. And we have actually hit our capacity. God has delivered 4 amazing families. And so unfortunately, I have to shut off sponsorship requests because we are at capacity, and I want to make sure that we're able to make a considerable difference for these families. So we have 4 amazing families right now to sponsor for the holidays. 3 of them are veterans families, and one just breaks my heart. It's a family of 7, a single dad. He was injured on the job, is fighting workers' comp. 2 of his children are disabled. They're currently displaced. And they need everything. They need housing, they need bedding, they need clothing and shoes, coats, toys, food. They have a vehicle that needs repairs and it's inoperable. He has been fighting workers' comp to get payment and even get into medical. He's got to wait all the way till the end of December to even get seen again. He's in pain and he's depressed. And I want to be able to help this family. I want to be able to help and really make a difference. I am really, really excited to be able to help these families. I wish I had the capacity to help on the higher level, but I am really confident with the new clients that we picked up and the fact that we still have a month out and still have the capacity to help 10 more of you guys grow your business to make an even bigger impact on these families. If you would like more information about this year-end deal and the family sponsorships, I'll post those links in the description below.